Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Google Photos. And basically we have a few options. The first one, if you wanna only stop photo uploads, and the second method, if you want to completely disable this application. And let's get started with the first one. So, to do it, open Google Photos application, then click at your account at the right top, and then go to backup. And right here we need to just click at the backup slider right here, and we disable backup, so it just stop upload. It will stop upload your photos. Now, let's move to the second method, if you want to completely disable this application. So, we need to open application, information about this application in our application settings. So, press and hold at this application, and now go to App Information. Also, you can find these settings if you open Settings and then go to the Apps and then App Management. It depends on Android phone, but you will have something similar what I have right here. Right here you need to find this Google Photos application. So you can use a search at the top, or you can just find it. And right here we have. Click on it, and firstly click for force stop, and then disable. Now write your password. So this force stop, it shut down this application, and when we disable it, it removed this application from home screen and stop this functionality, because we cannot delete this application on Android, so only this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.